So I forgot my camera, so I just decided to get out my phone. But check this place out. Sweet freaking place. Awesome. So there's hot pools over there. And then over here, this is just this lake here. It's cool. And we're coming down here. We got these jet skis over here. Kind of glad I came down here because I wasn't going to come. I was like, no, I don't want to go. I want to work on my project. Pretty freaking sweet. Jet skis, trucks in the lake. Beautiful, beautiful place, I tell you what. Beautiful sunset. He's gone. He took off. He's like, I'm going. Got this guy over here. He's the famous one of the group here. He's like got a white shirt on. I don't know where he gets that white shirt from, but I want to get one like that.
Hey!
I want a white shirt like that.
You do not have my permission to put this on YouTube.
YouTube's.
YouTube.
Yeah, I can do whatever I want. So I'm gonna go find a life jacket, try my luck on one of those jet skis. I've ridden them before. And that dude over there, the neighbor here with the big red shop, hey! He's got the machines and he's like, hey, come with us, go jet skiing, woo-hoo-hoo. I'm like, heck yeah, I'll go do that. Really should be home working on my project. But. So here's how the stand-up jet skis work, okay? You got some that work, and then you always have a little of this. See how that one is up, and there's another one that's up, somebody's working on it. So this is the kind of stuff you see every time you come to the lake with jet skis. You always see people working on them. They're very temperamental, they never seem to work quite right. But the neighbor, he's got some good ones, and they're in good shape, they're new. Oh man, very much enjoyable. I'm gonna go get my life jacket on and try this. The water is actually not even that cold. I was thinking it was going to be colder, but not too bad.